Welcome. Madin on that.
What is it? What is it?
Mafila we new item ready.
Aha, ndurinzwa man. Ana goza rukuchema kuno.
Tinozvikuza.
Chitiani man.
Boyesh baba.
Chitiani man. Chitiani man.
JG. What is it? Abanabo.
Munotpa ngani ku out of 10?
Nitwe man. Hai, yagara to 20 out of 10 ngira kudara.
Okay, what's up, people? So this is Voz JT. Welcome to Voz JT Live. Thank you for streaming the new song Yabuda on 12th September, Tuesday. Same Joanna Gaon. Numbers are going up. Thank you for your support. The streamer, on my YouTube, on my Spotify, on my Apple. My link, my group, my GS. What do you know live? You do my concert send around. Request Tiripo and drive live, you know, you go to change the feedback yen or Terry.
My moves to my foods. Your business, you go order my fruits. Families, I been the bone and looking at my fingers. Still, my awards are the same to an account. Last year, my one name is a booming in town. It's like a big city, divine. After nothing else, I would end up starting my name with people. Judging for clarity, teaching peace and from there, always find this. Performs, shapes like water, and we put water into a cup.
Okay, so first shout out, I want to give shout out to Director Blue for directing the video. You see the Wanafara video, and it's new stuff, different stuff. That's Director Blue made. The company is called 99 Orange. I want to say shout out to Art Perry for designing the puffer jacket silver. What else? I want to say shout out to Deborah for creating choreography. Akafika gown, makeup. Thank you for your support. Nego streamer, some Joanna Gown is now number 2 trending by YouTube. Let's take it to number 1. Please. Thank you. Murara Jaganaka. Oh wait, kune vangare kujoina.
Well, JG.
Good evening, Mr. Kesari. Mugira Singh.
Wagwan votes. Mirazi.
Boy.
Blessings. One. To Chimani. Low key, minimum.
Machirivamba.
And the Chimani trick.
Zudare.
One. Did you go to repeat and ask?
Mabato online Luigi.
DP so how my youth what is your one? Maize mari mukutora munero for my food.
Yes, sir.
Blessings.
No, thanks, Ndara. Thanks, Ndara.
Sure.
Masimbisa.
Blessings.
Anyone else had a go pinned up a live pedu? We are open. Mr. Kesari, can you introduce yourself? Kunewa sida ziyebu munoro ma alliance teaching.
All right, Nito Kesari, kind of the case. I said, I'm Shanda Test and the hip hop. And also another thing, and Rugu Shanda Opa. Arini mame artist so far tumbonganidza tichazomboti tichakudai futi ipapo timbodzokorodza zvatikamboita paya.
No pressure Ndara, munoziya kukundiwana.
All right, our blessings Ndara. Then thanks for the pamkane which is introducing one.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Ndoya tushbaba.
Cool.
Okay. So one last request and then we call it a night. Sure, Nyamayaro, shout out to you. You try to accept about
Don't come to me when my dreams are in a proof. We'll talk about them days when you bring this number. When you kiss my bodies, but I never wake you up. I'll keep you down, I'll run and fight you when you fall. Nowadays, I perform on the boys, I will count. Last year, I wanted on my face, still living twice. Last year, I wanted bigger than aim for living twice. But see, kind of justice of my life. It's your mama face, you do what I dust. But Jesus in a plan, but Jesus in a family. But Jesus in a Bible, always in a tower. It's beautiful, Tanzania, I don't touch you on the plans. But now, my heart, I'm the same running down. Last year, my one name is a baby little town. It's like a busy, divine. After another night, I would take a start to run.
My bridge, I think the accept request here. Same clothes every day, same songs every day, same songs instead, but I'm singing my truths. Same people you love, that the same people conquer. Too much weakness, you cannot get a thinker. Drugs and folks, when you jump up on my scene. Keep up on my list, cause the cats up on my time. Isolation from the muscle, but my hopes can't for Sasa. Problem, I'm gonna think that I'm Sasa. Baza moves are doing both my youth. My moves, Chora, Muli, food on my foods. Ungasha your business in the world, I eat my fruits. Families, I think that born it, looking up my finance. Still, my awards are the same to run it down. Last year, my one name is a
After 9 nights, I would be the start to wonder. We'll go with the dream. I struggle with a prayer. Touching the clarity, she keeps in my prayer. Always fight, but still waiting. After 9 nights, I would be the start to
Anyways, shout out to you. That was the song Sembro Anagang, new stuff, latest. Young Junita Music, Lugona, Luguzia, Chakasanga Kushoe, Bukwekwe, wearing my comments. Good kid, shout out to you. Young kid, Agromowitz. What else? My shows, we have Guero, Mso Friday, we have Blawayo, School of Mines, Mso Friday. What else? I think that is all. Thank you, Zimbabwe, for supporting Zimbabwean hip hop. Thank you for supporting Chi Town. Thank you for supporting Rose JT, Murari Munyasha.